Inside this box is £1,000 worth of mystery sneakers, and I have no clue if I have made a profit or been completely scammed. 46 pairs total, which means the average cost was just under £22 each. And some of these could be worth a lot of money and some might be absolute shit. Today I'm going to unbox every single pair, show you what we got, how much profit I can make, and the price will be based on average resale value once the pairs are cleaned and prepped. Now this box is heavy, so I'm going to put it down and we'll get into it. Okay, first up we have got some Air Max Terrascape TNs. I'm going to value these at 40. Alright, decent. We have got some P6000s in silver, white and blue, which once again, I'm going to put these at 40. No way! Air Max 95 Hyper Crimsons, and they're in really good condition. These are a size 9. I'm going to value these at 80. Oh, we've got another Air Max. We've got some DNs this time in black and grey, size 6. I'm going to put these at 35. Nah, decent. Alpha Fly 2 in pink and orange, size UK 9. I'm putting these at 60. We've got some Vapor Max 2021s. Look about a size 8. I'm going to put these at 40. Air Max 90 pink foam OGs. All the nibs are still there. However, they look about a size 4 or 5. I'm going to put these at 40. Okay, something different. We've got some Hoka Cliftons. Loads of tread left. They look small again. So I'm going to put these ones at 35. I'm going to have to put the box down because I can't reach in it anymore. You can go right here. Let's continue. Air Max 270s in pink and purple. Not the best condition. Should be able to fetch 25. These are decent. Some React Visions in like cream and pink. I'm going to say 30. Loads of Air Maxes. These are Air Max Command, I believe. I'm going to say after a clean, these will fetch 25. All right, we've got some Adidas now. White and green Sambas, good size. I reckon they're about 7.5. We're going to go with 35. Okay, we've got some black and white Campus. I'm going to go with 30. Yes, I know some of them need a clean, but that's part of the process. Another Samba, the black and white. These look about a size 9. I'm going to go with 35. Most people would pass on a Dunk Low, but this colorway is the grey fog, and I always sell these for around 25 to 30. Today, we're going to say 25. Okay, we've got some New Balance 327s. Not their best condition, but loads of traction left. So after a clean, I'm going to go with 30. This is different. We've got some Toddler Air Max Plus. I'm going to say 25. These sell really well if you didn't know. And no VAT, of course. Adidas Campus in white and red. I'm going to go with 30. An all-time classic, white Air Forces, size 5. Not the best condition, so I'm going to say 20. Another pair of these. What size are these? Size 6. I'm going to go with 30. All right, last few pairs from box 1. We've got some Waffle Debuts. I'm going to say 20. Oh, these are a low-key Air Max Invigors. Small size. But you can still get 25 all day. Oh, this is the worst condition I've seen so far. These are some Adidas Samba, but they're golf cleats. About a size 10. I'm still going to say you can get 20 on these. Oh yeah, definitely some stinkers at the bottom. Some pink and white Gazelles. Look about a size 6. After a clean, you could definitely get 20. And the final pair is another pair of Toddler Air Max DNs. I'm going to say 15. Hopefully box 2 has some bigger, more expensive pairs, because right now, most of them are literally £5 to £10 profit. Oh my God, this one's so much heavier. Hopefully, that means we've got some better pairs in here, because right now we're definitely at a big loss. Quick one, over 60% of you watching aren't subscribed. If you're getting some sort of value or entertainment from my videos and you want more reselling content like this every single week, please hit subscribe. It helps me more than you think. I would say the average value of the first box was about £30, and 30 times 20 is £600. So if we're saying half and half, we are in a little bit of a profit. But from what I can see at the top of this, much better. In fact, let me quickly show you what I am seeing right now at the top of this box. So much better already. Let me start showing you the pairs. Starting off, we've got some Jordan 4 shimmers. I mean, the soles are a bit dirty, but it's a Jordan 4. I should be able to get 60. Back-to-back heaters. We've got some New Balance 1906 in like a bluey grey colourway. I'm saying £50 all day long. Straight into another good pair. We've got some React Visions in grey and white. The midsoles need a proper clean up, but after that, these are getting you 40 quid. Oh my days, we've got some Air Max 90s in grey and black. Loads of traction left. I'm going with 45. I'm actually going to have to show you this box again. Look at what I'm being faced with. Steals on steals on deals on deals. Let me show you. Air Max Plus. Racer blue colorway. Loads of traction. These will sell very fast at 75. Can't go wrong with a pair of black Air Force Ones. Look about a UK 8. I've sold loads of these at 30. Oh, this is a low-key one. Low-key, I'm gatekeeping this one. These are Asics Nova Blast. I've sold loads of these between 35 and £50. With the tread on the sole, I'm going to go with 40. All right, we've got another pair of black and white Sambas. Really good pair to sell. We'll say 35 again. These are nice. React Vision in grey, white and blue. Loads of tread. This is a £45 shoe all day. Another pair of G Fazos. Big size triple white Force. Quick sale at 30 quid. These are brand new. Look at that. Brand new Gazelles. If I sell a used pair at around 30, I'm going to say 45 on a brand new pair. Now I've got to be seeing double. Another pair of Hyper Crimson 95s. Loads of tread left. Smaller size. So I'm going to say 70. And another pair of these. Another pair of Shimmer Jordan 4s. Much smaller. A bit more worn. So I'm going to go with 40. Hey. Nah, these are finished. Look at that. Air Max Plus triple black. In this condition, I'm going to have to say 30. Because that shit is speaking to me. But profit's profit. Getting down to the last few pairs. Some Adidas Gazelle Bold. Nice condition. Honestly, probably worn a couple times. Easy £40 shoe. Triple white React Visions. Decent size. Loads of tread left. This is £40. Yeah, these need a little bit of loving, to be honest with you. 270s. I'm going to say 25. But if they get cleaned up properly, I've sold loads of this colourway at about 35 to 45. Damn, another 270. Whoa, these are big. Size 12, very good size actually. Triple black 270s. I'm saying 35 all day. This colorway always sells fast. This is called the worldwide colorway of the React Vision. With that much tread, you're getting 40. And last, but definitely not least, we have a box pair. Anyone be able to guess what shoe this is? It is some Nike Sakai Blazers in the OG box. Obviously nowhere near as hyped as they once were, but I feel like you could easily still get 25 to 35 on these. So I'm going to say 30. But that is every single pair for £1,000. 46 pairs total. I don't know the exact number right now, but the second box was definitely better. I'm going to say £500 is going to be my guess. There'll be a number somewhere on the screen. But I didn't buy this box. I sold this box for £1,000. To one of my followers. You might even be watching, so shout out to you. So if you do want to buy some bulk sneakers off me, this is my Instagram on the screen right now. Drop me a message and we'll see if we can get a deal sorted. Anyway, I hope you did enjoy that video. Let me know if you would have paid £1,000 for that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Peace.